Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at switch statement. Switch statement is basically similar to if statement. The difference is if you use if statement, you have to, like, for example, if you have more than 3 or some condition, we have to write if condition all the time, so it's going to take a lot of time. But if you use switch statement, that's like shortcut of if statement. Now let's go ahead and see an example for that. First, I'm going to introduce some integer type of variable. Let's say integer age, and let's give some value for age. Let's say age is equal to 3, and here I'm going to create some create the switch statement. In the switch statement, in the bracket we put whatever the variable we created. In our case, we created the integer type of variable. The name is age, so the age should be inside of this bracket, age. And then in the curly bracket, we are going to create the cases. It's like if this is true, like for example, if the age is 1, it's going to print out the case 1. If the age is 2, it's going to print out the case 2. It's going to go like this. So case, and this one. After that, to give the printout statement, we put system.out.println, and if the age is 1, it's going to print out you can crawl. You can crawl. And if the age is 1, if it's satisfied, we have to break this one. If you don't put the break statement, if you don't put the break, it's gonna keep continuing without checking. So we always have to put the break. It means if the age is 1, it's gonna print out this one and end this program. That's why we put a break. And same as that, we have to put the case 2, case 3. You can create as many cases possible as you want. So I put copy paste 2 more times because I want to create 3 cases. And if anything else is there, if, for example, if the case 1, we are going to print out you can crawl. If the case is 2, if the case 2 means if the age is 2, we have to print something else. Let's say you can talk. And if the age is 3, we are going to put you can get in trouble. You can get in trouble. And then default. I'm going to put a default statement. In the default, it means if the age is 1, 2, 3, like something else, if it's not within these 3, then we are going to print out another statement. Let's put another thing for that. So I'm going to copy and paste right here. And here I'm going to put I don't know how old you are. How old you are. Okay. And also here we put another break. Okay, that's it. Now this one should work properly. So since we have put 3 right here, it should print out you can get in trouble. So let's go and run this one. You can get in trouble. Okay. If I change this one to 1, it should say you can crawl. Let's run that. It says you can crawl. And if I put anything other than 3, for example, if I put 8, it should print out I don't know how old you are. So I'm going to put 8 and run this one. It says I don't know how old you are. And that's how the switch statement works. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description. And also, if you are trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.